If this is the first time in the channel, subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first one to know about the current market in Knoxville, Tennessee. I'm Hilmer.
And I'm Christian with Castillo Realty, and we help people just like you every single day. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, please feel free to reach out to us as all of our information is in the description box below. We'd love to help you make a smooth move to Knoxville, Tennessee.
Today, Christian and I are taking you here. Behind me, it's a $1.8 million home located about 15-20 minutes from downtown Knoxville. Stay with us. You can't miss this tour. Welcome, welcome. This is a one of a kind, and we couldn't miss it. We want to tour it for you. So let's start. And this side we have an office and a full bathroom, so just check it out. This room is being used as an office. And even though it's painted black and the cabinets are black, something that I still really like is the natural light that comes in. And all of the bedrooms in this home has a walk-in closet. You know, this has been used as an office and it has a glass door. You can tell that there is ample space because of the furniture that it is here. Coming out of the office and right beside the front entrance, we have a full bathroom. Let's check it out. The finishes in this home are exquisite. There is no details left out. And let me show you what I have behind me is the formal dining area. Let's check it out. In this formal dining area, you can see that elegance meet modern. Wallpaper, yes, now they're back in trend. And I think this selection made it go perfectly in synergy with the decoration and the style of the home. Let's move on onto the living area, which is also an awesome space. Let's get in it. I think this too, with cabinetry, goes perfectly with the feel of the home. We're transitioning from the dining area, the formal dining area that had the dark wallpaper. I think these cabinets go with it and make it come back and talk to each other very well. Let's go check out my favorite place in this level. I cannot say that. There's so many favorite places in this level, but let's check out this kitchen. The kitchen is always a fun place for the family together. In my opinion, it is the heart of a home. So if you come into this kitchen, it looks very modern, very sleek, but it is at the same time very inviting. With these countertops, drop down on both sides, you can have company watching you cook or helping you, hopefully. You have your Sub-Zero refrigerator, which holds all of your food, all of the items that you need to have at different temperatures. And this stove with 6 burners and a griddle, I think is a game changer. With 2 ovens in the bottom, you can be cooking for the whole family in no time. One other detail that I like here is your spigot to fill up your pots. And nonetheless, you do have a vent hood with a commercial grade fan, so you have no smell staying in the house. And a Z-line microwave that is a drawer. Very modern, very in trend. Before we leave this kitchen, I want to show you the coolest pantry. It has everything you need to hold up, from smaller appliances to all your food, and it also has a can wine cooler. Let me show you right off the kitchen, a smaller breakfast area. You have a small office right off your breakfast area. Now in this garage, you have ample cabinetry also. And one more thing, you have this 2-car garage, but you have another one to the side. So it's like an L shape. Let me show you. Deep, so you can put your boat if you need to. And if I have to guess by my eye, you can fit a 22 boat here. Coming from the garage, you have this cubby to hold your keys and few cabinets. Your mud room area, so you can store shoes and not have so much dirtiness throughout your wood floor. Beautiful tile here in your laundry area for anything that you need to drop, so you're not dropping it in your wood floors. You have ample cabinetry, you have a sink, and you have, again, a lot of storage here. Okay, let's check out the master. The master bedroom has a very ample space. Even though it doesn't have a king bed, it could fit a king bed. So ample space. It faces the back of the home that we're not gonna show you until we go down, Christian. Stay with me, thank you. Let's check out the walk-in closet and the bathroom in the other side. Okay, one of the favorite spaces after the kitchens in homes are the bathrooms, right? So check out this one. There's several details here that I wanted to point out. It has lighting under the cabinets. It has heated floors, 2 separate sinks, so nobody fights about who did what, and ample cabinetry again. And you have your little space to do your makeup. The mirrors are big enough for it. The countertops in the bathroom and throughout the house are quartz. And this particular shower, the floors are quartz and the walls are ceramic tile. But one detail that I also like in this one is the different shower heads, so you can massage throughout your shower after a tiring day of work. And of course, we have a beautiful soaking tub.
You've gotta check out the upstairs. Let's get it. Welcome to the upstairs. This place is pretty cool. I mean, it's actually amazing, I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to be like super chill about it, but this place is amazing. It has 4 bedrooms, and in those 4 bedrooms, a theater room is included. So we're gonna take a look at a couple of these bedrooms, and then we're gonna check out that theater room. All right, we've got 1 bedroom. This is your first bedroom. All right, let's go to the next one. Oh, hey, make sure to like, subscribe, and don't fall asleep on the job. Now we're gonna show you a piece de resistance, okay? This is a super cool theater room for you to sit back, relax, and enjoy everything you've worked for to get to this point. Check out this room. Welcome to the downstairs. We have an incredible space for you down here. It is pretty much, in my opinion, a second house. So it has a whole gym, okay, like a full-fledged gym. It has a wonderful living room space. It has a full kitchen. It has a half bath, a full bath, a place for storage, and it has a really pretty office. There's also, along with the full bathroom, is another master bedroom. So downstairs also has its own master bedroom. One of my favorite parts about the entire downstairs is the access to the back patio. We'll get there, but first, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a next video.
We have shown you 6,000 square feet of home. Behind us is a saltwater pool.
And I mean, honestly, this couldn't be a more beautiful home. This is simply one of the most beautiful homes I have ever toured, and I'm so grateful because this couldn't happen without you guys, right? With every single like, every single subscribe, every single share, every single comment that you guys give us is one step closer to us being able to provide more houses like this for you. So if you guys enjoyed this, please comment down below what your favorite part was, what your least favorite part is, what you want to see, what you didn't see, any of that kind of stuff, so we can provide a better video for you at the end of the day. Thank you again so much. This is Castillo Realty. We are living life in Knoxville, Tennessee. We'd love to help you make a smooth move to Knoxville, Tennessee.
See you next time.